Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Pump channel. In this video guys, we have the Roblox token. So guys, like always, I will show you what is the Roblox token. I will express to you the project of this token and all informations you need to know about this token. And like always I said guys, I am not a financial advisor. Everything you do or you invest, you will take your responsibility about it. And now let's see the Roblox on the coin market cap. Like you see, the token today ranked at 3,680 with a price of 0.424. There is no market cap, sorry guys, at this moment, and the volume of $140,000. The all-time low is 0.2433 30 minutes ago, and the all-time high is 0.2482 3 hours ago. And the token guys available only on Bitru, and like you see guys, the token in the last 24 hours up 0.02 and the volume guys up 1%. Roblox is a user-friendly, time-saving and community-driven, truly smart, truly legal contract-based platform for creating legal documents and blockchain technology such as arguments, power of attorney, business contracts, declaration, affidavits, memorandum of understanding, etc., subject to yourselves following the prevalent laws in the country is which it has to be acted upon the subject to yourself following the process of ensuring the validity of those documents and accordance with law, which is cryptographically significant by each party terribly acknowledging their convenience. And at this time guys I record this video, there is 1 billion token and the total supply and 659 addresses have this token so far. Also guys, the Roblox is one window blockchain based ecosystem for creating, keeping records of contracts and solving disputes, providing ambitious, swift and affordable resolution through arbitration. And you can choose a customizable templates or start choosing a unique contract of your own from scratch. So basically guys, you can create your smart legal contract. You can insert clauses and send notifications to the other party to agree on individual clauses. Also guys, you have the digital signature, digitally pay and sign with the other party to activate your contract. Also guys, for the dispute resolution, connect and choose Roblox for your dispute resolution. Choose dispute resolution mediation. Roblox resolves conflict through the use of communication and negotiation techniques. Also, you can agree with your opposite part to trigger self-executing contract and resolve your disagreement with arbitration an easy and affordable way. And finally guys, for their community, they have at this moment 265 followers on Twitter. So that's it guys for the Roblox token for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to smash that red button below. Take care and see you later.